So it's not your fault. But I am glad. Nah, that's right. I can trim this out. So it's not your fault that you're not making sales with affiliate marketing. You've just been taught the wrong ways to go about affiliate marketing. Well, in this video, I'm here to clear all of that up for you. Let's start with the basics. So, first things first, sign into your Clickbank affiliate marketing account. Secondly, the first thing of what you're doing wrong is you're probably listening to the gurus who's telling you, you need to pick a niche, you need to promote the affiliate offers. What you need to be doing, so that I can clarify this up once and for all, is you need to stay in the big three niches of the online marketing world, which is health, wealth, love. People are always looking to get better health. People are always looking to make more money. And people are always looking for love. No matter what age they are, people's always looking for their significant other. Which leads me to my next point, which is the second thing you're not doing right in affiliate marketing is, let's say, for example, I chose to promote this product. A lot of you like to promote this product and directly just sell it off and got your fingers crossed, got your eggs in one basket on this one product. What you should be doing, regardless if this product sells or not, you should have an autoresponder, which I have for you pulled up. Now, this autoresponder I'm showing you right here, this is MailChimp.com. It's completely free to make an account, but you can only have up to 500 subscribers. After that, you have to pay. Don't quote me on how much you have to pay because I don't know off the top of my head. But the point is, when you go to promote these affiliate offers, first you go to the affiliate page and get the email campaign so you can have that sitting in the back end. But secondly, what you need to be focused on, which is more importantly, is instead of just having all your eggs in one basket for this particular one product, you are in the health and fitness niche. If I scroll down on Clickbank to see how many pages they have for health and fitness, they have over 9+ pages. I'm assuming it's probably about 10 or 15. Point is, just because this one product doesn't convert on the front end doesn't mean over time in the back end that this product can't convert for other people on your list. And more importantly, move on. Instead of just having a campaign for one product and make or break, live or die by that product, no. Go to the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and continue to build your email list by sending more autoresponder based on the niche that you are focusing in. So if you're just going to commit to the health and fitness niche or health and wellness niche, for example, just continue to promote those offers. Continue to promote the autoresponders, on your email list. Continue to send out campaigns. You just have to be patient and know that this isn't going to happen instantly. Unless you have like a super huge email list of like 100,000 plus people, then maybe you'll make money the first day. But if you're like me, you're somewhere between, depending where you are in your journey, 1,000 to 10,000 subscribers on your email list. It's going to take time. People's got to know, like, and trust you. Just like you watching this video and you're still here with me now. You're getting to know me, you like my personality, and you trust the advice that I'm giving you will be useful for you on your Clickbank affiliate marketing journey. So, continuing on my last statement, the next thing which confuses a lot of people, especially is in the e-business and e-marketing. Now, I get a lot of questions about this on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at Bernardo Da Vinci. But a lot of y'all like to ask me, Mr. Da Vinci, let me close out health and fitness. No, not like I was saying. A lot of y'all like to come to Mr. Da Vinci. I'm promoting in the e-business, the e-marketing niche, but I'm slow to see sales. What can I be doing better? And this is my answer for those of you who ask me on Instagram. What you need to be doing is when you go to e-business and e-marketing specifically, you need to promote. What I like to promote most is affiliate marketing, though they have niche. So focus down, niche down in your niche. Yes, you're in e-business and e-marketing, but niche down. If you want to promote affiliate marketing, click on affiliate marketing. You want to promote pay-per-click advertising, click on pay-per-click advertising. Niche marketing, marketing research, email marketing, so on and so on. Basically, what I'm telling you now is niche down and focus on the main pain problems that each one of these niches individually are facing. The way how you get people to trust you is by solving the problem. If you can solve a person's problem or where they are in their current journey to where they want to be, you have opened a floodgate of opportunity for people that are in need of what you can provide. So just make sure that you keep that in mind. Second, now let's continue on this journey. The next thing that I see a lot of you are not doing is you don't have a sales funnel. Now, am I the best at making sales funnel? No. but I am good at getting my sales funnel to convert. I know that for my specific affiliate offers, that if I can get one person out of every 75 to convert, one person out of every 100 to convert, I have a 1% conversion rate on my sales funnel. Is that the best? No. The industry standard is about 2 to 5%. But what I can do with this data is I can use that, and everyone who visits my sales funnel, thanks to my Facebook pixel, I'm able to retarget them to later down the line in the future, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months from now, send them back to that funnel, and then they're able to come by. If you're directly just sending them to the affiliate offer, you're losing out on all that potential data, using out all those potential visitors of who visited your page. So you definitely want to make sure that you have a ClickFunnels account. I'll have that. If you're interested in that, you can check that out. It's pinned below in the comment section. It's also in the description. Or there's other alternatives of which you can use, like Builderall, but I've used almost every alternative there is, and I'm convinced that ClickFunnels is the best strategy. Is it expensive? Yes. But does it make up for it in the long run of what it's able to produce for you over the long term? Yes. So it's pros and cons to both of this. Lastly, so I can conclude this video for you, you want to be using solo ads. Now, for those of you who say, I don't want to use ClickFunnels, I don't got the $100 a month, no biggie, no worry. Come to this website. It's called udemy.com. Now, what a solo ad is, you will code through all these people. Depending on your niche, you can type that in. I'm not going to type that in for time purpose, but what you can do, you can type in your specific niche, look for a person who's matched up with what you're looking to sell. So let me give you a more clear description so that you can paint this image vividly in your mind to be more transparent with you. So I want to click on this man right here named Angelo. I'm not even going to try to pronounce his last name. So you can see his clicks are kind of pricey, but whatever, it is what it is. He's charging about 79 cents a click. Therefore, 300 visitors. I don't got my calculator. I'm not going to do this math. But what you will want to do is, if you don't want to create a ClickFunnels account or you don't want to build a sales funnel, you can directly use your affiliate marketing offer from Clickbank. So let me head back over to Clickbank. So you can directly right here click on promote. Let's say I want to promote turn text to speech. You will click on promote. You will load this up. Alright, so like I was saying, you will load this up, you will click on generate hop link, it will give you the hop link, you will promote it, so on and so on. You can do that using Udemy. Udemy directly allows you to do that. You cannot do that with Facebook ads, and if you do, that's the fast way to get your ad account banned. Remember, Mr. Da Vinci told you first. Anyway, what you would do, you would click on how many visitors you wanted, what day you wanted to be set. The minimum, I think, starts at least 200. Some other solo ad advertisers choose 100 minimum, but basically what you're doing is paying to get your affiliate offer listed into these email lists of these big solo ad people who collectively go out to collect new leads, nurture the current leads that they have. They put your affiliate offer in front of that, and like I said, based on, if I was to do this and we was going to do this off 200 visitors, I would have a 2%. As I told you earlier, I get, for every 100 visitors that visit my page, I get one person to buy, so that's 1%. If I was to do 200, it'd be 2%. So just to put that in clear, simple terms for you to compress and understand, that's how you go about it. You can also do only top tier, you can do only mobile. And with that, I conclude this video. Thank you for staying with me all the way to the end of this video. Make sure that you watch this playlist right here for everything that I covered in affiliate marketing. I appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and join me on my affiliate marketing journey as I continue to gain more knowledge, more insight that I am able to share and provide with you so that you're able to be successful and also avoid the mistakes of which I've made in Clickbank. So again, check out the playlist of which popping up on the screen. I will see you in the next video. Actually, I will see you over on the playlist side. Hit that like button, smash that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you on the other side of the video on the playlist.